Tapos, i-click muna natin yung details. Details. Yan. Admission and details. And then, may PHIC benefit package ba yung mga patient natin?
Yes.
Yan. I-click natin yan. And then, pagkatapos ng PHIC benefit package, so add new package. And then, we will select the maternity care package.
Details. Yung prenatal.
Ano ba? Nakaselect na ba? Yan lang.
Yung new admission, yung mga anak na siya.
And then,
Yung August 8.
Putang sa package yung
ano ba yan? And then, normal spontaneous delivery package. I-check natin, normal spontaneous dito. Yan,
Oh,
yan.
ito.
Yan. Pero importante dyan is maternity care package. And then, as long as normal yung delivery niya, then yan, i-check natin. Depende yun. So, okay na? After that, i-submit na natin. Nawala?